Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna cook a dish called Triotillas. The ingredients of the Triotillas is 300 ml of oil, capsicum, chicken nugget, cubed sauce, and tortilla wrap. We use this brand Mission because we just have this brand at the Speed Mart. First, pour the oil into the hot pan. And then, goes in the chicken nugget into the hot oil. Deep fry the chicken nugget until it golden brown. Then, cut the chicken nugget into 3 small pieces. Cut the capsicum into half and slice it vertically. After that, add a tablespoon of butter in the pan. Put the slices capsicum into the hot butter. Saute the capsicum with a little bit of salt. Then, pour the cubed sauce. Saute the capsicum until it fully cooked or half cooked. Suit it yourself. This gonna be the most fun part when we're gonna wrap all the ingredients together in our Triotillas. Last but not least, arrange the ingredient according to your taste. Then, we have our delicious Triotillas. That's simple, right? Now, all of us can try these recipes at home. It is delicious and you can have it as a breakfast, lunch or dinner.
Thank you for watching.